since toasted bread.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like
Please welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you already know I love you. My name is ID, and today's video is going to be a little bit different from what you are used to, because I'm sure you already can guess, but I finally got a ring light. Yes, let me show you. Oh my god, my very own ring light, guys. I don't even know how to feel right now. Look at it. Isn't this the best thing you've seen since toasted bread? So guys, I thought I should film an unboxing video, even though this is not the first unboxing video I've already filmed. I thought I was going to be unboxing a tripod today. Yeah, and it's not quite a tripod. Guys, about 2 months ago, I don't know if you remember when I first started this channel. It's been 2 months already. I can't remember. So I was saying in my intro video that I wanted everything to be in line, in place. I wanted to start with a bang. I would get everything before I started, and then that friend of mine told me that I shouldn't wait till I have everything in line, because there is no better time than the moment, or something like that. I will also insert that clip here for you to see. I wanted to, get a professional camera and all that, and I really had all these long-term plans. But he said, we all have to start somewhere, okay? There is no better time than the moment. It got me thinking, like, what if I hadn't started all those months ago and I was still waiting for me to arrive with a bang here with you guys? But anyway, I thought I should show you guys how I set up my new ring light, how I, unbox and set it up. So you're going to be watching me the entire time. So don't go anywhere. If you are just joining this channel for the first time, thank you. Please don't forget to join this amazing family by tapping that subscribe button so you never miss my next post, and also turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post. Without further ado, it's more talk. Let's enter right. Let's get into it. Now. Yes. Okay, let's start the unboxing. I'm guessing that this is the actual ring light. This second one. I think it will probably be useful for setting it up. So this is the ring light itself, and then there's this small, I think it's kind of like the buttons for adjusting. So then there are these other things. I don't know. Okay, this will definitely be the stand for holding the phone. Very flexible, but I'm not really sure. Okay, it's probably going to be like the stand for the phone. That makes sense. The last thing in here is this one. Okay, I really don't know what this one is for. Okay, I guess we'll find out. And then the actual stand itself. This is the stand I came with. Like, I just got it. Okay. Okay, let's try. Let me try standing it. Okay, if it's standing. Call me engineer. Call me engineer.
Engineer.
Okay. And you can definitely, I think this definitely goes. Oh my god, this is really high. Like you can see how far up that went. So that's like this is long and I like it because it's going to definitely come in handy for filming and all that. Wow. Okay. Then now to set up. So we have these 3 other pieces that I'm pretty sure this two is to hold your phone when you want to film or something like that. But I'm not sure about this one. Like I'm really not sure what it's supposed to be. If you have any answer, just comment your answers because I'm really lost here. It looks like something adjustable though, because there's this other. But this thing really should come with a manual. Like why would these people put any manual inside this thing? I really didn't see. There's no manual. Like no setup manual. Wow. Okay. So far so good. I should have really checked this online before coming to film this. Okay, but let's continue.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seems like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you know with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my model legs. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body model legs. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Push down in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own.
It's kind of sunset
Back
to
up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with
It's
you.
a toast to you all who have been my realest from day one, who have stood by me and supported me and watched all my videos, my notification gang. I see you all in the comment section. Thank you so much. It has been a great ride with you and I am so happy that I did this. So this one is for you all and this one is for me. So cheers. You go drink, Abby, you no go drink. Eh?
Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Fade it up.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just